Hello kids, how are you? In this opportunity, I will explain could and couldn't. So when we use could and couldn't, we use couldn't for expressing past abilities. Okay, when we talk about the past. Imagine this is you and you begin thinking about one ability that you had in the past. You begin thinking about your swimming ability. And suddenly you say this sentence. When I was 5 years old, I could swim more slowly. Here you're using could and you are using the verb swim directly to express past ability. So this is a positive sentence, okay? For positive sentences with all these pronouns, I, you, he, she, it, we, and they, we use the word could. So, for example, I could run more slowly, or he could run more slowly. There is no S in the third person, right? We use the infinitive verb and the word could. Let's see more examples. Now imagine that you are thinking about another past ability. When you were a baby, and you say this sentence, when I was a baby, I couldn't walk. This is a negative sentence. We use couldn't for negative sentences. And for all these pronouns, for all the pronouns, we use like this, okay? Could, N apostrophe T, couldn't. This is the pronunciation, okay? Couldn't. And for example, I couldn't walk. Next. Now imagine you are still talking, but this time one person is asking a question to you. And this person is saying, could you talk when you were a baby? So you think in your past, you begin thinking, and you can use a short answer here. You can use yes, I could, or no, I couldn't. So for questions, this is the order. First, you write could, then you write the subject, the pronoun in the middle, and then you write the verb. So this is the order for questions. Could, subjects go in the middle, and then the verb. And of course, let's not forget the question mark. For example, could you walk? Could he walk? Could she walk? And we can say, yes, I could, or no, I couldn't, or yes, he could, or no, he couldn't. It depends on the pronoun that you are using here. Well, kids, this is a short summary to review the uses of could and couldn't. That's all for today. Goodbye. See you.